completely separately from an all India completely separately from an all India counseling perspective. Now private hospitals completely separately from an all India counseling perspective. Now completely separately from an all India counseling perspective. Now private hospitals, all the DNB private hospitals, like let us completely separate completely separately from an all India counseling perspective. Now private hospitals, all the DNB private hospitals, completely separately from an completely separately from an all India counseling perspective. Completely separately from an all India counseling perspective. Now private hospitals, all India, all the DNB private hospitals, like let us say Apollo hospitals across India, Gangaram hospital, completely separately from an all India counseling completely separately from an all India counseling perspective. Now private hospitals, all the DNB private hospitals, like let us say Apollo hospitals across India, Gangaram hospital, which is possibly the first to be taken, Fortis hospital, Holy hospital, hospital across Arvind Eye hospital, all these hospitals have DNBC completely separately from an all India counseling perspective. Now private hospitals, all the DNB private hospitals, like let us say Apollo hospitals across India, Gangaram hospital, which is possibly the first to be taken, Fortis hospital, Holy family hospital, Dr. Agarwal hospital across Arvind Eye hospital. All these hospitals are DNBC in multiple cases. The list may be available in Tamil. You can see in which hospital what is available, in terms of what trial, etc. Then all of them contribute every seat that they have. Both DNB seat, 3 years, and MBE diploma seat. To which counseling? All India counseling. Every private hospital seat, DNB seat, if you want to take. I'm saying Gangara hospital, I want to take a seat. Just like Mumbai, I want to take a seat. First question is it a private hospital? Yes. Completely, separately from an all India counseling perspective. Now, private hospitals, all the DNB private hospitals, like let us say Apollo hospitals across India, Gangaram hospital, which is possibly the first to be taken, Fortis hospital, Holy family hospital, Dr. Agarwal hospital across Arvind Eye hospital. All these hospitals have DNB seats in multiple cases, DNB general medicine, etc. The list will be available in Wayanad. You can just filter out and see in which hospital what is available, in terms of what trial, etc. Then all of them contribute every seat that they have. Both DNB seat, 3 years, and MBE diploma seat. To which counseling? All India counseling. Every private hospital seat, DNB seat, if you want to take, you have to attend All India counseling. You, so no more questions. I am saying Gangaram Hospital, I want to take a seat. Just like Mumbai, I want to take a seat. First question is it a private hospital? Yes. So you're talking about versus quota for NDEMS quota. Possibly split up DLD and ND diplomas. That quota is called NDEMS quota. All private hospitals is come under this counseling. Then we look at state government hospital. Can a state government hospital have a seat? Yes, it can. ESI hospitals are there. There are central hospitals like coming under the Southern Railway, coming under ESI. Government medical college and hospitals, not the same medical college exists, but there is a hospital attached to it. You know that. You did your CRRI there. That hospital can have a DND, not in the same specialty where there is an MDMS, but in a different specialty. A same hospital is not on DND or MDMS. In the same specialty. But it can have DND in one specialty, MDMS in other specialty. Let us say DND nuclear medicine is a new code. The hospital is starting it. Then district hospital, civil hospital are terms used in different states. All of them have seats. Out of that, 50% alone is contributed to All India counseling. Like we saw in state government institutes, what percentage was contributed to All India counseling? 50%. Similarly, in state government hospitals offering DND and MD diploma, 50% is contributed to All India counseling. All candidates again are eligible. Completely separately from an all India counseling perspective. Now, private hospitals, all the DNB private hospitals, like let us say Apollo hospitals across India, Gangaram hospital, which is possibly the first to be taken, Fortis hospital, completely separately from an all India counseling perspective. Now, private hospitals, all the DNB private hospitals, like let us say hospitals across India, Gangaram hospital, which is possibly the first to be taken, Fortis hospital, Holy Family hospital, Dr. Agarwal hospital across, Arvind Eye hospital. All these hospitals have DNB seats in multiple cases, DNB general medicine, etc. The list will be available in Zalina. You can just filter out and see in which hospital what is available, in terms of what rank, etc. Then all of them contribute every seat that they have. Both DNB seat, 3 years, and ND diploma seat. To which counseling? All India counseling. Every private hospital seat, DNB seat, if you want to take, you have to attend All India counseling. So no more questions. I am saying Gangaram hospital, I want to take a seat. Just like Mumbai, I want to take a seat. First question is it a private hospital? Yes. So you're talking about DNB and ND diploma seat? Yes. Go to All India counseling. All India counseling versus quota for NDEMS quota. Possibly split up DND and ND diplomas. That quota is called NDEMS quota. All private hospitals will come under this counseling. Then we look at state government hospital. Can a state government hospital have a seat? Yes, it can. ESI hospitals are there. There are central hospitals like coming under the Southern Railway, coming under ESI. Then government medical college and hospitals, not the same medical college exists, but there is a hospital attached to it. You know that. You did your CRRI there. That hospital can have a DNB seat. Not in the same specialty where there is an MDMS seat, but in a different specialty. A same hospital will not have DNB or MDMS in the same specialty. But it can have DNB in one specialty, MDMS in other specialty. Let us say DNB nuclear medicine is a new code. A hospital is starting it. Then this government medical college can also have it, or a government hospital, civil hospital, GS, government hospital, district hospital, civil hospital are terms used in different states. All of them have. You can look at the brochure and if any notification is there, you can follow. It is available in Zalina. Now we are looking at ASMS counseling registration through MCC. First thing is, as far as ASMS counseling is concerned, you still need to register under all completely separately from an all India counseling perspective. Now, private hospitals, all the DNB private hospitals, like let us say Apollo, Apollo Hospital, completely separately from an all India counseling perspective. The list will be completely separately from an all India counseling perspective. Now, private hospitals, completely separately from an all India counseling perspective. Now, private hospitals are all India counseling. You, so no more questions. I am saying Gangaram Hospital, I want to take a seat. Just like Mumbai, I want to take a seat. First question is it a private hospital? Yes. So you're talking about DNB and MBA diploma seat? Yes. Go to all India.